Hi folks, Stu here from ATW. I'm back at it again to show you through this week's new build. The workshop team have just wrapped this one up, so let me take you through some of the key features included on this build. First at the front, we've got the ATW 3-poster bull bar. In behind that is the carbon 20,000 pound winch, front synthetic rope. We've got the 19.5-inch steel rim combination with the Kumho all-terrain. It has a 3-ton capacity, so this truck retains a full GVM. Now let's take a look at the top of the truck. We've got the ATW HD rack. On top of that, we've got the ATW solar kit, which run the two 240-watt shervy panels in there. We've also got the windscreen scrub bars on the front for a bit of protection as well. The body on this truck is a little bit unique compared to the norm around here. The customer had a brief where he needed a large amount of storage at the front, so we've added the ATW 1500 canopy on top of the ATW tray. You might note here too that this has got the new ladder design as well, so we've kind of stepped it up a little bit, so to speak, and incorporated a little bit more features on that. Tucked in the back here in the headboard of the tray is the 80-litre water tank, and you'll also note the secondary 140-litre fuel tank that we've added to the chassis on the truck as well. Coming around the back of the truck, we've got the ATW underbody lockers here. We've also got a 115-litre water tank that's underneath the truck, so these are the outlets here. Something that has made this one a little bit unique is these shorter storage canopies in here. The customer needed some opening in the back of the tray, so these are 450 deep and they come with the removable shelves as well. So if we come around the back of the truck, we'll go through some of the features that we can see in the back. So now we're looking at the back of the tray. We can see that nice little open center section in there. So that's great for dirt bikes, push bikes, compressors if it's going to a work site. It just opens up the storage volume in the back here as well. So we've mirrored that with another 450 on the opposite side, just to even the tray body out. Let me take you through some of the key suspension features we've done on this build. So we've upgraded with the ATW Parabolic springs. We've also paired it up with the King's remote res adjustable shocks. And then the next layer on top of that, we've added the Airbag Men adjustable airbag kits front and back. Come inside and check out some of the features that we've done in the inside of the truck. So the upgrades that we've done on the inside of the truck is 2 Scheelman seats and the ATW center console. The ATW center console is great for storage, but it also has a dual USB port for charging your phones and tablets. Well, that wraps up this week's new build. I hope you've enjoyed it. Feel free to share your comments below. If you want to know more about this particular truck or how to get yourself into something quite similar, please contact sales@allterrainwarriors.com.au. Thanks for watching.